Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Volt Inu on your Pancakeswap exchange. And our first step is to make sure you're logged in and your wallet is currently connected to the Pancakeswap.finance. From there, we simply minimize your wallet and open up the browser. And the website of interest for today is coinmarketcap.com. Link is going to be in the description of the video. And the coin we are currently looking at is the Volt Inu, the version 2. So what we're going to do is you simply click on this arrow right here and copy its BNB Smart Chain address. Once that's copied, you minimize, head back to your Trust wallet or whatever wallet you're using. And in the place of BNB or Cake or whatever shows up here, you simply make sure you're swapping out the currency. So we're going to be taking out BNB and replacing it with the Volt Inu. You paste the contract address and it pulls out Volt Inu. So you simply click on import. You then click on I understand. It's a medium risk token. So as you can see here, you can read through this. And then you click on import again. And now the Volt Inu is now on our Pancakeswap. So we're going to be swapping from Cake to Volt Inu, and we're going to be using 25%, which is going to be giving us 259,588 Volt Inu on medium risk. So you can simply click on swap, confirm swap, unknown error, execution reverted, try increasing your slippage tolerance. Click on dismiss and then further increase your slippage tolerance to about 15.0%. You then click on swap, you then click on confirm swap. A smart contract call pulls up for an exchange fee or a network fee of 0.57 BNB. You then click on approve, add Volt Inu to wallets, okay. And then you simply close up Pancakeswap, head over to your wallet icon where you simply do some reloading. The Volt Inu has been added. 225,000 has been given to us. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy Volt Inu on your Pancakeswap exchange and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.